Okay, so we're in downtown Denpasar. There's Pasar Badung as a reference. And then we have a river walk that's going to be down this way. We're going to follow that way. And we're kind of in the market. Hello. And we're going to check it all out. And I think we're going to go over by that water over there as well. So, so stay tuned. Okay, so we got the market near the river walk. So we're just gonna kind of walk along it and see what we can see. Try to find a good way to walk. So I guess we're gonna go that way. There's some chicken there. So I think I have to go to the right. There's a lot of traffic kind of moving around. So let's do that now. And then we're also gonna go towards the river walk. Let's see how we can do that in here. So we got motor scooters, we got so yeah, this is downtown Denpasar. Oh, okay, let me see. We're gonna try to go this way. We got some. Okay, this is what I wanted to see, anyways. I wanted to see this riverfront walk. And we got another one on this side. So I think this is basically kind of a marketplace, and you can walk along this, which is kind of what I want to do. Yeah. So let's see how to get down there. Yeah, it looks like it's mostly kind of a marketplace. It's the best way I can describe it. Let's see. We could walk down this way. I think I'm going to walk down this way because I think there's more action. So we're in downtown Denpasar, and it's kind of a river walk at a marketplace. It's like more of a marketplace. I wasn't sure exactly what to expect. Okay, let me see. I think we're gonna go down this way. I kind of want to see how I can get down in the riverfront area. So we're gonna try to figure that out. Chicken. Okay. So I think we can go down that direction over there. Hello. Okay, so we're gonna walk directly down this way, try to get down to the riverfront, see what that looks like. Hopefully we're... So anyways, I'm going to be in Bali capturing different images. I was in Ubud. This is kind of this particular collection that of chicken. And I think what we're going to try to do is see if we can go down, all the way down that waterfront down there. There we go, here we go. So this is kind of what I wanted to capture. So it looks like you could walk down along here, go all the way down. So I don't know. I kind of want to go all the way across like that, but I just don't know. I don't really see anybody doing it, and it feels like more of a marketplace than anything. But anyways, it's getting a little bit dark. I don't know if it's worth it to film it too much, but we're gonna end it right there. Okay, I should come here in the daytime when the lighting is better. There's another market there too. So since I'm here, there's lots of like kite flying up there. You can see all these kites up in the sky. Hello. And we're gonna walk all the way down here, and it's getting a little bit dark, so we're just gonna see, getting a lot of yeah, it's pretty interesting. So we're just gonna follow all the way through, just kind of see, as we can see, through the marketplace here in downtown Denpasar. Okay, so this is the river walk, and we were over in that area walking around through the market, and it looks like it's basically a marketplace with a waterfront. The waterfront looks pretty cool. Looks like they light it up. There's some lighting kind of coming up over on that side as well. Some families hanging out as well. And I guess we're going to conclude it. Kind of interesting in downtown Denpasar.
Toma cuidado la voz